I don't know if you can see in the distance, but there's a deer. I'm walking it at a different location. He's just watching me. I happen to be up on the river wall here walking, and I seen him, and now he's just staring at me over here trying to figure out what I'm doing. But I'm just watching him, and he's watching me. It's always an adventure in the morning when I walk, and that's why I enjoy it so much. Now he's wagging his tail. Let's see if I can get closer. There. He's starting to move. See him? There he goes. He's letting me get close. This is weird. Normally they don't let you get this close. There he goes. Just prancing. He's still watching me. Still watching me. Wagging his tail. Look at him. He's actually letting me get close. Come here. Come here. I'm not going to hurt you. Oh, there he goes. And he's off into the sunset here. He's letting me get close. I'm wondering if he has babies close by. Oh, there he goes.